Man, snow in Arkansas is crazy. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, hit that like if you like the video. If you're not already, hit that subscribe and hit the bell so you know when we drop our next videos. Let's get into it. So, snowed in Arkansas. That's crazy. So, can't work. Snowed in. Decided to build some Dlux shocks. Thought y'all might want to join along. So, let's get into it. Alright guys, I got the shocks all set up and ready here. I don't know what kind of builder you are, but I'm the anal kind that likes to separate everything and organize it. That's kind of part of the fun for me, as well as the whole organizing part of it. Anyway, so I got everything laid out, and I'm not going to really make you guys suffer watching me go through building every single shock, but basically, if you need a breakdown on it, for the shaft, you're going to go C-clip, the compression ring, and then C-clip. That's going to hold the compression ring in the middle of the shaft there in the proper position. On the barrels here, you want to go with the smaller white O-ring, the what they call it, the X-ring, the thicker white ring, another X-ring, then the bigger white ring, and the clip all inside the barrel here. I'm going to set these up with the offset caps, and I've got some longer ball ends that I'm going to use for those, but I'm going to go ahead and put this other set together with the normal end caps on it, so just so I have them handy. Maybe a guy wants to trade or needs them or something. But anyway, I'm gonna get these put together. I'll do some time lapse, and we got a bunch of different spring options. I'm probably going to set everything up on soft springs just because I have three full sets or I have 3 pairs of soft springs. So I'm probably going to set everything up on soft, and then once we get the rig completely finished and do some testing and tuning, I've either got some Uber softs to try out, and I've got 3 pair of mediums also. So we'll just see how it goes. And all right, we're back, guys. We had a little ice and snowstorm here in Arkansas. Hope everybody survived that with no problems. We did, but I didn't have any heat in the shop, so I couldn't come out here. So I had to build the shocks inside the house over the week that I was off work. But got the shocks here all put together. Got them here in my LT custom shock stand. And man, these shocks look amazing. Look at that. High quality aluminum. The parts are so precise, made so cleanly, no issues with construction whatsoever. So these are based on the original DravTech design. Probably some of the highest quality shocks you can get in the price range. These come in at $48 a pair if you buy them assembled, but you can also get them unassembled like I did and build them yourself, which for a decent builder, you can put together a set of shocks. It's not too difficult. There's lots of videos online. Matt made some really good videos that helped me out putting these together for myself. So you can get them unassembled for $10 off. So for $38 a pair, which is what I did, I enjoy the building process myself. So I got the mediums, or excuse me, the shorts in the 92 millimeters and the ultra shorts in the 80 millimeters. You can also get them in a medium that's, I believe, 105 millimeters. The design of them is so cool. They have an internal bladder that actually separates the oil and the air. And what that does is it creates a pocket and allows the bladder to press back down to give you that precision, equal release back out of the piston, extending back out of the shock. So there's a really cool design. There's a double O-ring seal system in there. So it's a seal, a O-ring, a seal, a O-ring, and a seal, all there in the bottom of the shock right here to keep any fluid caught up in there and not let any of that leak down your shock, which all of us really hate. If you follow any of the pages, that's one of the main complaints that anybody will have with aftermarket shocks is, do they leak or not? And these feel amazing. I've been messing around with them here on the table. I got them good and tight, and I don't think they're going to leak at all for some time. Of course, you need to check your shocks often, rebuild them often, clean out the fluid, take them apart. They will get loose eventually just from use and things like that, the spring putting tension on the housings and things like that. So check them, make sure they're tight often, and you should never have any issues with your shocks. So like I said, they got that really nice double O-ring seal set in there. Also got a 4-hole piston system in it. So the little cap inside the black cap, the piston has 4 holes drilled at a precise level to let a certain amount of oil flow through as it's compressing in and out of the shock housing. So super compact design. Like I said, I went for the ultra shorts in the front and the shorts in the rear. This is my first set of Dlux shocks, so I'm excited to try these out. Of course, I got mine in the pink. They've got a ton of color options. There's probably like 8 to 10 different color options. Plus, also they've got different types of offset caps you can do. I went for the compact for these. I may get the original offset caps, and then, you know, these are the stock caps here, so more traditional style, sticking straight up. These are kind of squatty and kind of bended off to the side to kind of crunk your shock down a little bit more on the chassis. It all just depends on your build and how your chassis is set up and how you're trying to set up the shocks and everything. But I'm super excited to have these on one of my rigs. I'm excited to get it all put together and do some testing. And I want to thank Matt Beast and Dlux Fab, the crew over there, man. They're awesome. Some of the best customer service I've seen in this industry. I've been in the hobby for a long time, and good customer service is very important. That's why I shop with Dlux, and I'm buying a lot of stuff from them this year because of the quality and because of the customer service. So I invite you to do the same. Check them out. I'll leave links in the description below, or you can get a hold of them either on their website or on Facebook, and you can talk to them, see about getting you a set of shocks. Like I said, they come in several different lengths. Should be able to use them on a variety of builds. So, all right guys, thanks for joining me. If you liked the video, hit that like. If you're not already, hit the subscribe, click that bell for notifications so you know when I drop my next video. And have a good one, guys. Hope to see you on the trail.